Welcome to this tutorial about a 3D heart card. It has a subtle 3D effect and opens up in the middle. That adds another meaning to opening your heart, right? You can make this lovely card within a few minutes. It's suitable for any romantic occasion, like anniversaries and Valentine's Day. On my blog, you can find a printable template. Just click on the link in the video description. Let's get started! Take a long sheet of red cardstock. Fold both sides towards the center. You can use guidelines to define the center. Take a sheet of white paper and fold a small part of it. Draw multiple half heart shapes from the fold. Cut them out with scissors. Unfold them and check if one of the heart shapes suit your red card. If yes, take a sheet of pink paper. Fold a small part of it and trace your favorite heart shape with a pencil. Perform this step 4 times so you have 4 heart shapes. Cut out the heart shapes with scissors. Remove visible pencil traces with an eraser. Make 2 pairs of heart shapes and glue 2 halves together. Glue a pair of heart shapes to each side of the card front near the border. It's up to you how you want to display the hearts. Do you prefer to show one heart or two halves becoming one heart? To keep the card front closed, you can use a decorative thread and make a bow. It might be helpful to use something like an eraser to keep your card closed while doing so. Your card is ready now. Here are some optional decoration tips. You can add another larger heart shape inside the card and write your lovely message inside the shape. Or you can decorate the heart on the card front, for example by using glitter pens, sticky rhinestones or glitter powder. Or you could use printed cardstock instead of pink paper. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Happy crafting!